Hi, my name is Jillian Boltz, and I'm an Evolve 365 Learning Strategist with Planet Technologies. In celebration of Evolve 365's 10th birthday, we're sharing our favorite tips and tricks to help you work smarter and get the most out of Microsoft 365. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how you can use Python in Excel with Copilot to analyze your data like a pro. To get started, we simply start from an existing Excel file. Access Copilot from the App ribbon and select App Skills. To get started with Python, you can use an example prompt, such as give a unique insight using Python. Give Copilot a moment to think. Copilot is able to use Python to do its analysis. You can expand this section to see more about the Python code, including an explanation, or to copy this information for your own use. Scrolling down, you can see the output that this would generate, and if you're happy with this, you can insert it to a sheet. You'll want to make sure that you verify your information for accuracy. You can also go into deeper results analysis with Advanced Analysis Mode. Click Start to generate Advanced Analysis Mode. Copilot is able to use Python to generate data frames in a new sheet called Analysis 1, where I can see how Copilot and Python are working together to analyze my information, pulling out insights and trends. We'll give it a moment to generate its results. Copilot is able to generate charts and graphs for visual analysis. You can continue to refine and edit your information. If you change your source data, it'll be synced to your analysis results as Python leverages these data frames to keep your data in sync. Customize or refine the analysis by asking Copilot for additional metrics using your own words. Copilot will adjust Python codes accordingly. Let Copilot handle the heavy lifting and technical analysis of your data so that you can focus on the bigger picture. Thanks for celebrating and learning with us. Visit our website for more information, go-planet.com/evolve365. Don't forget to like, share, and join us next time for another quick tip.